I really love to work in Jiangshan Wangda Industry and Changing Company. It's my career, not only a job, makes me feel very valuable and meaningful. Tina said, a sales in Wangda, China Ihomagic home storage manufacturer, let everyone here have our own personality. We treat each other as a big family. There's a famous sentence called create together, move forward together in Jiangshan Wangda Industry and Changing Company. China Ihomagic Home Storage Factory has 20 years industry experience. We are expert in items such as laundry baskets, cooler bags, shopping baskets, travel organizers, and home organizers, etc. China Ihomagic, leading home storage manufacturer, has many advantages superior with others as below. Delivery time advantage. China Ihomagic personal home storage manufacturer has a very systematic delivery control process as below. Generally, the order operation time is 45 days. The specific delivery time also should be depends on the specific quantity and the complexity of the order. Certification advantage. China Ihomagic Home Storage has BSCI, Amazon, Walmart, and other related factory certifications as below. Quantity advantage. China Ihomagic Home Storage Factory has formed a professional and effective protective team with 5S system. China Ihomagic Home Storage Manufacturer has a strict quality control. All of our materials can meet ASO REACH FAD CA65 standard to make sure provide our customers the best products with high quality. If you are interested in it, please contact us. See you next time.